Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to talk about the DD lines. This DD line I explained to you about the previous video, the coloring and the model line and the DD line. And this video I will explain to you the whole DD line to more understanding about that. When you produce the short drawing, you those three are so important to know about this. Okay, so the line style, line weight, and line patterns they are called it a 2D line, and on the other hand they call it a DD line. Those are the same things. The DD line, when you produce a short drawing, and in any kind of short drawing, this thing are necessary to know about this. If you are not familiar with this, you will be facing a problem with the protection for the short drawing. Okay, let's go about it. Okay, and check this. Where you need to know this is when you need to do about the line style and line weight and line pattern is you go into the manage to adding on the line style and line weight and line pattern. And here in the additional setting here is a line style. Then in the previous video I was talking about the color, changing the color for the line and the DD line. In here is that you can create a new line. Is I will give you the name for the solid line. Then I will giving for this a line projection mean is the line, that is a line weight. If the line weight I will give it I give it 1. If I change to the color in the cyan color, the magenta color in the solid line, and I will create another one is solid line 2 or 1. It's not 1. I will giving that name for 5. Because I want to change the line weight 5 in here. I will change the green line in here. Okay, now you understand about this is a line weight, and here I will draw for you. So I click OK. Now this tool already show you how. Okay, I will create this. What we have created the solid line. This is a line weight 1. In another one DL, I type in the DL. If you are not remember the shortcut key, if you are going to the annotate, look for the DD line in here. Okay, just click the DD, type in DD line. You choose to what you create the solid line weight 5. That's a green line. Okay, this two in your, you're seeing that. Okay, I will check the elevation here. You look at on this. You look over this, the line here, the same line weight. In the window view, when you are familiar with the AutoCAD, in the real time, you change to the line weight, that you can differentiate the line weight in the model view. That is a real time. Real time, you are able to see the line weight. In the Revit, it associated with this the scale. But you won't able to obvious in here. Whatever the scale you change in 500 is 1000. Whatever you scale you change in the working view, it doesn't change, but it's working on the printing view. Okay, if you change back to the 100, when you print it, you choose to the printer name. I choose to the default one is a PDF. Then I choose a visible portion or current window. I won't print out, but I just check in preview. Look at this. This is the line weight 5. This is the line 1. But I will go back to the working view. We are working in the 100. If I change to the 200, is you are able to see the difference between the previous one and the current one. You see a little bit bigger than the previous one. 1 is to 100. Right now it's 1 is to 200. So where is that? Why the thing is different? So you are able to see in here. In manage, going to here, line weight. You look over this, line weight in here. If you look over this, the 1 is to 10 is 0.18. If we are choosing to the line weight 1, we working on based on this. You see that the whole thing is the same. It's the same. If you want to change the 2, you can able to change here 2. If you want to change the 3, you can able to change here. This is whatever you want is according to the project requirement. You want to change, you can change in here. according to the client and the project requirement. In here, the line pattern, line weight is you can able to change in here. Okay, the line weight 5 0.7 0.7, and here there's something wrong. Is change to and 0.8. I will change to 0.8. I will change to 0.9. Okay, whatever in here. Okay, you never mind, it doesn't matter, you just click OK. Okay, you change to the 1:100. When you print it, check in preview. Look at this. Okay, please take note this view. I go to change 200 and check in a preview. It's bigger than previous one. Okay, please take note about that. This is quite useful when you in your short drawing. One you draw the same line type is, and 1:10 is this line. This line you still keep using this. You keep using this. In the one view is 1:10. Another view is 1:20. But you're still forget about the line is working on the scale, but you are not aware that, but you keep drawing. But when you print it, the 1:10 is a line weight is 0.1. Is a 1:20 is 0.3. Then the line is not the same weight. The thickness is not the same. Then you will be you will face a problem. But you are not aware the line weight is working on the scale. But if you understand about this scale, when you are known about this, the table, so you won't be facing any problem. If you want to familiar with this, you print it, you put the paper on your on the working table or anywhere it is where you are able to see that, then you will be check when you do it, when you create the line, and based on this DD line, but it's based on those DD line, and it's a difference between the line thickness, then you will be check. You can able to see that in here. That's why it's AutoCAD and Revit is totally different between the DD line, the line style. Okay, another one, we are going to create the line pattern in here. Before we create it, we were able to check on here the dash dot. So how he created, check edit. The dash is 6. This is a dash. The length is 6 value. Space is 4. This dot is not necessary for value. The space, the value is 4. Okay, we are going to create a new one. It's line pattern. Create a new one. Okay, I will give you the name for this. Dash dot dash. Okay, the first one is a dash, and then I will give you the 6 space 2. Okay, dot, not necessary, the values are not required. Space is 2. Another one is dash. I will giving the longer one 15. Okay, that one is space is giving the 2. So after this, you don't need to keep doing dash dot dash dot dash. So you don't need to keep doing. So that is already 3, right? You wanted 3. That's good enough. When you stop the space, after that you will be cycle to the dash dot dash. It's coming around this. Click OK. That's how you created this. Just OK. If you already, then you need to create the line, another one new. But what you created is dash dot dash. Okay, you want to change to line weight 4. Okay, if you want to familiar with this, line weight is behind is number 4 is a line weight 4. Change to the red color. Okay, you created the line pattern in here, dash dot dash. Where is that? Dash dot dash here. This is how you create it. I will type in the DD line. In the DD line, I choose to the dash dot 4 in here. created the rectangular line. Okay, so that is the line weight is a 4, but you are choosing the one is to 50. When you see the print in the preview, it look like this. So nice. This is a 5, this is a 1, line weight value is 1, this line weight value is 4. So look at this. If you change to the 100, look over this in preview, this is a 4, this is a 5. You see that it's bigger than before. Now you can change to 200. You look at it here, and according to the scale, he work over this. You see that he longer than. This is a solid line. You won't even be obvious. Okay, if you change to the scale is to 25, something like this. When you print it, you check in the preview. Look over this. So nicer. This is a 5, this is a 1, and this is a 4. So that is how you created that. How you manage the DD line is line style, and line weight, and line patterns. If you are familiar these 3 lines, you can produce a short drawing. Make sure you subscribe my channel and thumbs up. If you doubt something else, you comment down below. And if you want to know something else, you can email me. I will right way to answer you. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Okay guys, bye bye.